Copilot just exposed data your employees were never supposed to see. HR data, your CRM, your executive team's bonus structure. That's not a bug. That's exactly how it works. Copilot searches everything: SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, email. 100% of your CRM data was just exported. Your outgoing sales team member just walked into your competitor with their new book of business. And here's the problem. Your security was not set up correctly, and you can't undo what was just done. Over 80% of Microsoft 365 environments have broken permissions. We walked into a healthcare organization. Copilot surfaced patient billing data to the marketing team. Copilot didn't create the risk.
It exposed it. This isn't it. This is a board-level risk. EPC Group performs Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft 365 tenant security reviews. We identify exactly what data is exposed, where your permissions are broken, and what Copilot can access across your entire environment. We've secured over 700 Microsoft 365 tenants, 5,000, 200 plus Microsoft implementations, G2 leader, 4 consecutive quarters, Net Promoter Score 100. This is EPC Group Video, 1 of 3 inches, our Copilot 365 Security Audit Series. If Copilot is enabled in your environment, this risk already exists. Get your Copilot security review before your next board meeting. Because we didn't know isn't an answer. Contact EPC Group. Email us at contact@epcgroup.net or call 888-381-9725. Visit us at epcgroup.net/contact.